Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how to install Active Directory domain services on your Windows Server 2019. Okay, let's start. I already log into my Windows Server 2019 and when you turn on your server, it automatically appears on the desktop screen. If it did not appear here, you can go also from start and server manager. From here, all administrator tasks can perform here. In local server, you can see this is the computer name, this is the work group, and this is our Ethernet detail, the remote desktop enable, all detail here regarding the server. Okay, what we do, we go to dashboard, or from manager we can add a role and feature from here also, and from here. Okay, we will go this three task. This is prerequisite before you install any services. The administrator account has a strong password. Okay, I already have. Network settings such as static IP address are configured. I already configured my IP address. Later I show you. And the most current security update from window update are installed. I already installed. We will go next. Okay, role based or feature based installation, remote desktop service installation. We will go role based. Next, this is select a server from the server pool. We will. This is our IP address 6.40, and we will go next. And we have to install Active Directory domain services. Add a feature, and we will go next. This is default 3.5 net framework and 4.7. We will go with default. And group policy management. Okay, and next, and install. Here it will take some times. Installed successfully. Now we are going to close. This is our ADDS, Active Directory Domain Services, that is installed. See here, notification of configuration required Active Directory Domain Services. In next lecture we will show you how to configure the Active Directory domain services. From tools, you can see here, this is Active Directory Administrator Center, Domain and Trust. This is model for the window PowerShell. This is all regarding Active Directory available here. As you know, our Active Directory domain service is installed successfully. Then we will go to local server because we have to change the system name. So we will go change, and this system name we will put SYS01. SYS01. Okay. Again. Restart now. It will take some time for rebooting. When it will back, the computer name change automatically, and that will be sys1. So in many places we have to use this name. Later I will show you. So this is computer name must be easy and simple for the domain services. Okay, our system is back now. We can check from here. Oh, okay. Now server manager is booting up. We will check in our local server. The system name is changed. This is still in workgroup. Later we will change this into domain. First we will create our domain, then we will change in next lecture. Thanks for watching the Sky Networks. Like us, support us, subscribe us.